Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your Boots Advantage card online. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now it's important to note that this can be done via their website or the Boots app, so use whichever one you find easiest. And from there you just want to sign into your account and then also make sure you are signed in to the Advantage card. And the way to check that is by looking in the top right corner of their website. And if it shows you how many Advantage card points you have, that means you are actually logged in. Now, from there, all we have to do is simply look for products which we want to buy. Obviously, you want to pick stuff that you are looking to buy, but I'm just going to pick something random here. And all we have to do is click add to basket. And then when we're happy, we can click on our basket. And then from there, as we can see, it says your Advantage card. And it shows us how many points are available to spend. So if we did actually want to use some of our Advantage points, we can simply choose it from this section here. But of course, it's not letting me right now because I don't actually have any. But if you did, you could choose them to get a discount off your order. And from there, when you actually place an order, you will earn some more Boots Advantage points depending how much you spend. Because as you can see here, £129 will get me 387 Boots Advantage points. So that's how you can use your Boots Advantage card online. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.